This is my favorite method for testing coins. Not only is it very accurate and reliable, it's also a lot of fun. For this test, you'll need a pocket pinger and a ping test app. We'll be using Precious Coin Tester, which is the official companion app to the pocket pinger. As with every other testing method, when you test for fakes, I highly recommend simultaneously testing a known authentic for comparison. There are two ways of producing a ring with the pocket pinger. The first is to ping the coin with the device itself, and the second is to tap the coin with the included stack stick. I prefer using the stack stick. The three things you want to be listening for are the sound of the ping, the duration of the sound, and how quickly it tapers off at the end. This is what a real Morgan dollar sounds like. And here's the fake. Just as a side note, the pocket pinger is meant to test the content of a coin and not necessarily its authenticity. In other words, it's useful in determining whether or not this coin is indeed 90% silver, but it won't tell us if it's been altered in any way, which is why it's very important to always use multiple testing methods. Just a word of caution, don't use the pocket pinger on proof coins, tone coins, or on high-value numismatic items. In my opinion, this device is a must-have for every collector and stacker. If you'd like to order one, feel free to use the link in the description. It's an affiliate link, so you would be supporting the channel at no extra cost to you. Be sure and watch the other methods for testing your coins here on the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.